Hello everybody, today you will make Caprese Chicken. I got the chicken, I prepare already salt and black pepper. Okay, now we start with the olio di oliva. Okay, the oil is hot and ready to go. Beautiful. Now we make a nice color both sides, and after we take it out, and we gotta do the tomato. Okay, now we turn on the other side. Now you gotta stay on the other side, this side over here, couple of 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, the chicken is done. It's a nice color, both sides. And we put right on this dish over here. All right, and now we gotta do the tomato. And I got the garlic first. And the garlic smells so different. It's from my garden. And now, the tomato. You see how nice? Now the tomato, I saute the tomato like 3 minutes. It's all. And after, I gotta put the chicken back. And I want to do my basil together. But what I do with the basil, I don't chop it with a knife. I use my scissors, my finger. My scissors. Now with my fresh basil, it makes the taste so good. Okay, now what do we need? I got a sea salt over here. It's enough. I got my chicken, it's already salted black pepper. And we put a little black pepper on the tomato. We give a little turn everything. Ready for the chicken. Back on the business. Cause this now you gotta cook it together. About 10 minutes. After that, we put the mozzarella on the top. And look at this. Oh, so good. And let's put a drop, not too much, all over the place. Beautiful balsamic. Okay. And now we give a nice turn. I want the chicken and the tomato for the balsamic. And we want to see it tastes really, really good. But the smell with the tomato and the basil, fresh basil, and the garlic, it's a really beautiful smell. And wait when I put my fresh mozzarella on the top, it look more nice. Okay, now we got a couple of more minutes. And I want to put the mozzarella. And this is gonna come so beautiful when the mozzarella melt. Okay, you know why? Let's put a little extra. All right, now what do? We cover. When this mozzarella starts to melt, it be done. Okay, now the chicken is done. Look at the mozzarella, beautiful look. Now let's put it right over here. And now I want to take one piece and I want to taste with my glass wine. Oh, look at the mozzarella, bella, bella, figlia mia, come bello, vedi. Now a little bit on the top. Put a little basil. You need the basil, fresh basil. Now a little balsamic vinegar. Hey, look at bella mozzarella, mozzarella. All right. The chicken, so juicy, everything nice. I want to say, salute cincin ed everybody, because this is a beautiful dish. Salute, cincin.